Welcome back. You can use the desktop editor for your video projects just as you would using the browser-based platform. You can go to the menu tab, you can then go to the file command, and you can click on new project. You're going to say you are sure you want to create a new project. What you can then do is you can import your video project to CapCut. Once you have your video project here in the area, what you can do is you can click on the lower right-hand corner and you can add your video to the track. What you'll see is that your video will then be added to the track. When you come to the track, what you'll notice then is that you can right click the track and you will then have options. You can extract the audio and you can do transcript based editing. You'll also see here at the top, you can add in captions just as you can with the browser based version. We can go to the audio element. We can search for music and we can add music to the timeline just as we did with the browser-based version. So everything that you can do to edit your video in the browser-based version, you can also do it inside of the desktop version. Now, one of the things that you will see that comes with the Pro version is that you can do vocal isolation. So if you have a specific element of the vocals that you want to break out and you have the Pro version, you can do it here by right-clicking and using this menu item. However, we are focused on the free version at this time, and so vocal isolation and the Pro version is beyond the scope of this course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.